Hello viewers, welcome to educators.com. This is Venkatramana Ganji. In the previous session, we have discussed one of the picker dialog, that is time picker dialog. Now let us discuss about date picker dialog. So here we are going to discuss about what is a date picker and how to create a date picker. So as you see in the diagram, which will allow us to select the date picker dialog, allow us to select date with month, day, and year. So this is an international format that is called MMDDYY. If it is in a domestic format like a DDMMYY format. So to create a date picker dialog, as we discussed in the previous session, there won't be any change. It's completely just like your time picker dialog. So wherever you have a label of time will be replaced by date. That's it. No more changes. And while you are reading the calendar instance, there will be little changes. We'll discuss how to do it. Just the same procedure. Create a subclass for your dialog fragment and return in your on create dialog. It will return your on date set listener. So you'll listen to the date in your on date set method. If you want to show the date picker, simply call a show method on the instance of your dialog fragment in your activity base class. So let us see how to create a date picker dialog. So create a project in your Android Studio, name it as date picker dialog. So the project has been created as just like in a previous session. Create a button to show date picker. So created the button, come back to your main activity as just like in your previous session. So get your button. I'll say date picker is equals to typecast it to button and use find view by id method or dot id dot date button and with semicolon and set the listener for this. So in the previous session we have done with directly. Now here I'm going to implement on click listener. So you have to implement a method that is on click. Inside this you'll write whatever you want. Just simply set the listener, set on click listener, pass this. So now here we'll do whatever we want, how to say listen on all. So the same procedure, right click on your package, create a new Java class, name it as date fragment. So date fragment class, which extends dialog fragment of your support, or directly you can take this dialog fragment, and where we will implement on date set listener this time. In the previous case it was on time set listener. In this case it is an on date set listener. So implement the method which is on date set, and we must call your on create dialog, which is going to return your date picker dialog. So create on create dialog. So implement this, and which is going to return your date picker dialog. So date picker dialog dot on date set listener. Sorry, which is going to create a date picker. So we should take the parameter list like the context. So we should take get activity. The next one is your listener. Pass this, and the next one is like in year, month, and we need day or day of the month, whatever you say. Simply you can put it as day or day of the month. So now, but I do not have any calendar instance for me. Just get your calendar instance using get instance method on your calendar class. So is equals to calendar dot get instance will get the current context of the calendar. So just simply create all the values whatever you'd like to do. Year is equals to calendar dot year. Sorry, calendar dot get the field. So that is your calendar dot year and with semicolon, and do the same for remaining as well. That is another one is month, and the calendar dot get method will get the field of your calendar dot, so month, the minute, month, and with semicolon, and the same like for day of the month, so calendar dot get, which is going to read your day of the month, and with semicolon. So now here in on date set, you are going to listen to the date. That's it. So make it toast. Toast dot make text. The context is as usual get activity. The next one is like the date is. So concatenate. And it is going to take the year first. So add plus symbol and put slash or hyphen. That is up to you. How do you put? And the next one is like a month of the year and add it. So concatenate the day of the month. So here the month will be actually going to return 0 because the index starts with 0. So add plus 1 for this and put it in a parenthesis, so that when you select 1, it is going to return only 1. So next, the third parameter is like toast dot length short or length long, and you must call show method on that, then only it will be visible to the user. Now come back to your main activity. So inside onClick, whatever you want to do, you just perform it. So get an instance of dialog fragment, that is, so new date fragment, and call show method on this dialog fragment object dot show. So which is going to take the fragment manager. Simply call get fragment manager, and the next one is a tag. So that is going to be like date picker. So here in this case, I'm taking get fragment manager because I have developed an application against 3.0 minimum. So it doesn't require any support document. So that is to make a difference, I have taken intentionally. But in the previous case, it was like supporting for the lower versions. So that was like get a support fragment manager. So here we don't require that. Let's run this application and it will be launched on the connected device of Nexus 5X. So it is about to launch on the emulator. It has been launched successfully. Click on date picker, so which is allowing us to take. So the current date is June 1, 2016. The day is Wednesday. Default it has been taken, and you can modify accordingly. So you can choose the year. So let us say you can select 2018 June 1st. So sorry, July 14th. Click on OK button. The date is 2018 6/14. So that is an international format. So this is all about your date picker dialog. So thanks for watching educators.com. Let's catch up in the next session.